Y'all just don't understand. It has been hard for me to wait a couple of days to move the sawmill in after we got the tin on. But I knew if we didn't do it now, it may not get done for 4 or 5 years. So we got everything framed up a couple days ago, got the rebar in, and we're ready to pour concrete. So here we go, getting us a good pad down. The majority of it is 8 inches thick. In the front where the equipment brings the logs in, it's 10 to 12 inches thick. I think 14 right in the middle. So anyway, we're getting it done. They're moving a little on the fast side, so hope you can keep up with it. Cannot wait, now that I've waited to pour the concrete, for this stuff to dry and cure just a little before I move the mill in. I was told wait about a month, but before we spray it with sealer, but I'm gonna do good to wait 4 or 5 days before I move the sawmill in, because I'm ready to cut and see that mill in there. Got some other stuff to do too. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Y'all enjoy the video.